Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you about the basic structure of C program, which is a 5 marks question. Structure of C program contains documentation section, link section, definition section, global declaration section, main function, and again in main function two parts are there. Those are declaration part and execution part, and last one is subprogram section. Documentation section gives detailed information about the program which you are writing. It contains comment lines which includes name of the program, author name, date of the program and time of the program, etc. Time, etc. Documentation section is not compulsory to write in your program. If you want, you can write it, otherwise you can skip it. Next one is link section. Link section, which is important to write in your program. It contains .h extension files which are called header files, and header files contains some of the important functions which you use in your program. For example, you use #include stdio.h, #include stdio.h. stdio.h is a standard input output library function. So it contains important input output functions like printf function and scanf function. So you use these functions in your program. That's why you mention header file stdio.h. Next one is definition section. Definition section, all symbolic constants are written. For example, pi value is a fixed value which will never change. So pi value is 3.142. If you are using pi formula in your program, you will assign pi value in definition section, that is constant variable. Next one is global declaration section. So the variable declared as global can be used anywhere in the program. Next one is main function. Every C program needs to have a main function. Each main function contains two parts, that is declaration part and executable part. The execution of main function starts with open brace and ends with close brace. Here I have taken an example to show you the structure of C program. Here in the documentation section, you will write the name of the program and time of the program if you want. Here I have given only name of the program, which is a C program to find the area of circle. Next one is link section. It contains header files. Those are #include stdio.h. Next is definition section. It contains pi value, that is constant value which will never change throughout the program. Next is main function. Here it will start the execution of program, and here is the declaration part. You are declaring two variables, that is radius and area. One is to read the radius and one is to store the calculated value of area. And this is the program, how it performs. So how it performs, here two variables you are reading. One is radius, to read the radius value. One is to store the calculated area value. What is the formula to find the area of circle here? To find the area of circle, formula is area equals to pi r square. So pi value is already given here, assigned here, and r is r square. You have to read the r is radius of the circle, that you have to read from the user. Suppose you are giving radius value 1.5. Then what is the formula here? It will calculate. What is the pi value? Pi value is 3.142 into 1.5 radius into radius, that is 1.5. So what will be the value of this? 7.0695 will be the value of this program.
Thank you.